Hello everyone and welcome, Dawn here. Today I'm going to be making this floral card using the new Whimsy Stamps Magnolia die that just came out. This die is very versatile. You can make birthday, thank you, and get well cards. You can do die cut inlay techniques or emboss with it. So you can really get a lot of use out of this die. So let's get started on the card. First I'm going to die cut the Magnolia from white cardstock. And then here is a quick tip. Since I'm not going to use any of the die cut pieces for this card, but I might want to use them on another card in the future. So what I do is I take some masking tape and I put it over the entire back of the die cut paper. And then I very slowly will peel off the frame of the Magnolia. And then all of your pieces are left exactly where they go. If some of the pieces fall out, then just put them back in their spot. It makes it so much easier than when doing a die cut inlay project. So I'll just save them, and I did die cut another one from TEAL cardstock. Then I take the white die cut and I glue it kind of off center onto the TEAL cardstock so the teal shows underneath the white cardstock. And then I take that whole entire panel and I adhere it to a piece of white cardstock that is folded to 5.5 by 4 1/4. Once the card base is made, I take a piece of teal cardstock cut to 4 1/16 by 1 3/4 inches and a piece of white cardstock cut to 4 1/4 by 1 5/8. And then I glue the teal cardstock on top of the white cardstock. And then I glue the entire teal strip to the front of the card. Next, I cut the friend shadow die from a piece of white cardstock and the word friend from a piece of matte silver mirror cardstock. Then I glue the two pieces together. I take a piece of silver metallic string and I make figure eights with them. I use a pair of tweezers to hold it together while I tie a piece of the silver string to hold it in place. I glue the string to the front of the card and I cover it with the sentiment. I stamp the word hello from the Happy Saying stamp set with black ink. Then I put foam tape on the back of it and I adhere it to the front of the card. And to finish off the card, I just adhere teal colored gems all around the sentiment. And that completes my card for today. I want to thank you for joining me on the Whimsy Stamps YouTube channel. Be sure to subscribe to the Whimsy Stamps channel and their other social media platforms so you don't miss out on any upcoming releases and great videos. Also, check out their website for more great products. Thanks and have a great day.